This is not formality for me. This is just stretching. A real warrior is never tensed, never tight, never too compact. He releases. She releases. When you let go of what is unnecessary, you can flow unlimitedly. Legs bend. Bend your legs, almost in a lunge position. Don't hunch over and give yourself back problems. Bend your legs and don't be lazy. Keep your elbows tucked and your shots should shoot out like gunfire. Bow, 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 bow. Toes need to be pointing forward, aiming at the target. A warrior who is humble will never be defeated.
Come on, you got this. Let's go. Let's go. This is it right here. Second shower. We ain't done yet, okay? All y'all that's watching, sitting there taking my video and you're doing it at home, that's what I do this for. We ain't done. We ain't done. You thought that was hard? Other than the quick ups is what I call them when you get up quick. You take your time with something and you keep doing it. That's real strength. Because the body can do whatever the mind wants it to. It'll go through whatever. You'd be surprised what the human body can survive. So we're gonna do this again. This is just, the end of the video. But if you're watching this and you were doing it with me, all I can tell you is if you get a resistant rope like I'm doing, or a 5-pound dumbbell, do not get something heavy and try to act like you can be a beast with it. Watch how I move with them. I do not sit there and go crazy with them. I know my strength, but I know my endurance as well. So that's why I do 10 pounds. But when I'm on 10 pounds, I don't go stupid. So all I can say is if you're not using the strongest resistant rope or dumbbells, either one. But yeah, you can do the same thing I just did with either dumbbell or resistant rope. Depending on how you handle it, you can do the same thing with kettlebells too. We're not done. We're doing this over again. So if you're watching this, just replay it and let's do it again. Always love y'all. My reflection: be safe, stay on your toes, and be lethal. But most of all, hit the world with love. Ninja!